So as you age and your shoulder pain gets worse and your motion consistently declines, your pain consistently goes up, what happens is those small changes translates into big differences for your independence. So previously you were able to take care of yourself. Now you can't. You're dependent on other people, dependent on friends and family members just for simple everyday activities. What a shoulder replacement can do is facilitate that independence and improve your quality of life so that as you age gracefully. So come and see us at the Bone and Joint Surgery Clinic. If you have shoulder pain of any sort, we'll get things sorted out for you.